Hello dears, today I'd like to show you one of our COB LED matte colors model. Yeah, this one is matte colors of red, green, yellow, blue, and white. Yeah, in the middle you can see the yellow patch, that is white. And now let me show you the colors, okay? Yeah, at the side is red and green and blue and white. So this net is not big, but you can also come on to customer the size and the solder parts, the mounting holes, or the colors you want to combine, or we can custom for you. Waiting to your inquiry. Thank you.